everyone, this is K. Sahasra from 10th A and I am from Sri Chaitanya Concept High School. Now I am here to show you the characteristics of image of a concave mirror and the position of the image by an experiment. Before getting started with the experiment, it is important to understand a few terms that are used in concave mirror. So the first one is center of curvature. The point where all normals meet is called center of curvature. And principal axis. The line passing through the pole and center of curvature is called principal axis. And the focal point, where all the reflector intersect, is called focal point, and the distance between pole and the focal point is called focal length. As you all can see here, these are the positions of the object and these are the positions of the image, and these are all the characteristics of the image. Now let's get into the experiment. To do this experiment, we need the materials like a candle, concave mirror and V-stand, and ruler to measure the centimeters, and a paper as a screen, and a matchstick. First, let us light the candle. So here first position is at infinity. If the object is at infinity, the image will be formed at a focal point. So here the focal point of this concave mirror is 10 cm. Focal length of this concave mirror is 10 centimeters. As we all know that focal length radius of curvature is twice the focal length. So if 10 centimeters is the focal length of this concave mirror, then 20 is the center of curvature. So this is the center of curvature and this is the focal length of this concave mirror. Then the first one is at infinity. So object will be at focus. Next, the object is at beyond C. That means beyond center of curvature. As we can see here, I am keeping the object beyond C. Here 20 is the center of curvature, so beyond 20 I have kept. When the object is at beyond C, the image will be between focal point and the center of curvature. So the image should be formed between F and C. See, as you can see here, a sharp image, and you can see a inverted image of the object. See, this is the sharp image of the object and it is inverted and real image, and this image is formed at 15. So that means between focal point and center of curvature. So here the image is formed between focal point and the center of curvature. On center of curvature, if the object is at center of curvature, then the position of the image will be also at center of curvature. So let us keep the candle at center of curvature, that is 20. So we'll get the image at the 20 itself. See, we'll get a sharp image here. At 20 itself we'll get a sharp image. And then next we have the position of the object is at between focal point and center of curvature. Then the position of the image will be beyond C. So I'll keep the candle between focal point and the center of curvature, that is at 15. That means between focal point and center of curvature. So image will be formed beyond C. As you can see here, you got a sharp image and you got a enlarged image, right? All can see that you got a enlarged image. So when the object at F and C will get a enlarged, inverted and real image. We got a enlarged, real and inverted image. Next, when the object is at focal point, the image will be at infinity. So let us keep the candle at focal point. So 10 is the focal point. Now we will not get image because the image will be at infinity. You will not get the image because image will be at infinity and there are no characteristics of this image. And then the next position is between mirror and focal point. The image will be formed behind the mirror and image will be enlarged and we'll get a virtual image. See, when we keep between mirror and the focal point, we'll get a virtual image. We'll not get here. We'll get the image behind the mirror. So we'll get an inverted image. Now let us see the ray diagrams of concave mirror. So first one is object is at infinity. As I said, when the object is at infinity, the image will be formed at the focal point and the size of the image will be point size. And the next one is when the object is beyond C. When the object is beyond C, the image will be formed between focal point and center of curvature. That is between F and C. And the size of the image will be diminished and inverted. And the next one is when the object is at center of curvature. C is nothing but center of curvature. When the object is at center of curvature, the image will be also formed at center of curvature and will get a same size image and inverted image. Next, when the object is between focal point and center of curvature. When the object is between F and C, the image will be formed beyond C, that is center of curvature, and will get a enlarged image and inverted image. And then next, when the object is at focal point. When the object is at focal point, we'll get the image at infinity. And next, when the object is between pole and focal point. See here, the object is between pole and focal point. We'll get a virtual image that is behind the mirror. And we'll get a enlarged image. Only concave mirror maximum it forms inverted and real image, but only in the case when the object is between mirror and focal point, it will form error and virtual image. Thank you all, and I thank Raju sir for giving me this opportunity. Thank you.